Here's how to get Grubhub Plus for free. So many of you probably don't know you can get it for free for up to 6 months as a part of a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime. Or you can get a 30-day free trial or even get it for half off. I'll go through all of that in this video. There's a link in the description that will take you to that page to see if you qualify for this right here, which is the 6-month trial of Amazon Prime. And with that 6-month free trial, you also get $0 food deliveries. And after that trial, you actually only pay half price for Amazon Prime, and you still get those free food deliveries through Grubhub Plus. So you also get 5% cash back, which you don't get on normal Amazon Prime. But those who qualify are between 18 and 24 years old. So if you're in college right now, then you definitely qualify. Also, if you're a student, you qualify. So tell your friends, this is how you can get Grubhub Plus for free, is just getting this 6-month trial of Amazon Prime. And you also get all the other benefits of Amazon Prime for 6 months, including Prime Video. Now, if you're not between that age range and don't qualify for that, you can click on this link here and you'll still get a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime, including Grubhub Plus free for 30 days. And another way or another discount that you can get on this is if you qualify, you can actually get Prime for half off. So if you're receiving government assistance, you can click this link or scroll down to the bottom and get Prime access to get Prime for half off. Now, I don't know if you get Grubhub Plus. You do. It does look like you still get Grubhub Plus. There's a few things that maybe are different with the Prime Access if you qualify for that, but that's a 50% discounted rate for Amazon Prime forever. That's not a free trial. You do get free 30 days first as well. So if you qualify for that, one way or another, 30 days free here, 30 days free there, or even just paying for the half price membership, or 6 months free if you qualify for the Amazon Prime for young adults, you get that Grubhub Plus free membership as well, and you get those free food deliveries. Pretty awesome. That's how you can get Grubhub Plus for free.